Hey guys, and welcome back. Join me in another episode of Chaotic Kitchen. This is just a clean with me version of Chaotic Kitchen. So, usually my older two are the ones that clean the kitchen at night, but today I have the luxury of cleaning the kitchen myself. They are out doing whatever they do. So, it's just me and Tiny Tot. He's gone to bed, and of course, he can't wash dishes or everybody will be in the house sick. So, of course, I poured me a glass of wine and turned on my Alexa. So, y'all, let's get it on the poppin'.
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say.